So here are the digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So using these digits, numbers are formed. 5, 36, it's combination of 3 and 6. 387, that is 3, 8 and 7. Next, 2,36,984. So it's a combination of all these above mentioned digits. Now next comes the set of numbers, that is natural numbers. We have different sets, whole numbers, integers, there are many. But now for this we will just know about natural, that is they start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. This you all know, I think. Next is comparing numbers. We can compare different types, different numbers. So here 2 and 37. 2 is a single digit number and 37 is a 2-digit number. Always the number with maximum number of digits is a greater number. So here 2 is having 1 digit and 37 is having 2 digits. So here 37 is more. Now here 3456 and this is 1234. Both are having same number of digits. Now if you want to compare like this, you can follow, that is you can see the first digit. It is 3 and this is 1. So here obviously 3 is greater than 1. So this number, that is 3456, is greater than 1234. Okay. Now let us see the place value chart, that is Indian system place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now face value, that is the number, for example 3. The number what you see here is 3. If this 3 is put in lakhs place here, then this value becomes 3 lakhs. So what you see here is the face value, that is the number, normal number 5. Now if this 5 is put in crores place, it becomes 5 crore. So this is 3 lakh. And this 5 is in crores place, so it's 5 crore. Now we will learn about small numbers and large numbers. Smallest, that is single digit, that is 1 is the smallest number in single digit and 9 is the largest number in single digit. Larger digit is 9. In smallest 2-digit number is 10. The same way larger number 2-digit number is 99. Next 3-digit number 100. It's basically 1 with following zeros. And larger numbers always will be 9s, mostly 9s. 3 9s here, that is 999. If you go for the next number, that is after 999, you will get 1000, which is nothing but the smallest 4-digit number. 1000. And this would be 9999. Largest 4-digit number. And this continues. And this continues. So here, let us know about expand. So here it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So when you have a number, write the place value on the top and expand it. So 2 is in thousands place. So it is 2 into 1000 plus the next digit is 6, which is in hundreds place. So 6 into 100 plus 4 is in tens place. So 4 into 10 plus 3 is in ones place, 3 into 1. So basically this number you are expanding it into this place values. So 2 into 1000, 6 into 100, 4 into 10 and 3 into 1. Next is your ascending order. I think you know or you all know it, but still. So here you are given 4 numbers. First check the number of digits each number is having. So here it's a 3-digit number. This is also a 3-digit number. This is also a 3-digit number and this also is a 3-digit number. When you have same number of digits, start with the first digit. 3, 8, 7, 1. So ascending order is basically from smaller to larger numbers. So in this, 1 is the smallest. So 185 is the smallest number. 185. Next, 387. In this, 3 is the next smallest. So 345, the whole number, is the next smallest. Next, 8 and 7. 7 is the smallest. 723, and the last one is 849. In the same way, the reverse one, that is descending order, you have to start with the greater number. That's the largest number. Same thing. Here also you have to check the number of digits. Each number is having 1, 2, 3, 4. It's having 4 digits. This is having 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. If you won't see the number of digits, if you see the first digit and if you follow, you might think 1 is smallest and 7 is largest and you will start with 7,000. But basically this is 12,000. So you have to check the number of digits clearly. So here this is the largest number, that is 12,000. 345 is the largest number. Next, second one is 7 is larger because here we have 4 digits, same number of digits. So go for the first digit, 7 and 2. 7 is the greatest. So 7963 is the second greatest or second largest. Next is your last number 2984, which is the smallest one. Okay, so here we have started our first exercise, that is insert commas and write the number name in Indian system. So here they have given you numbers. You yourself have to place the commas and you have to write the spelling, the number name. So here write the place values on the top first, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So after 3 digits, that is from last digit, ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma, 1,000, 10,000 is one set, then comes your lakhs. So this is 2 lakh, 2 is in lakhs place, 15, you have to read together till the comma, means from this comma to this comma is a single number, that is 15. 15 is in which place? In thousands place. And 780. So write this in the form of words. So 2 lakh, 15,000, yeah, 2 lakh, 2 in lakhs place, 15,000, 780, 780. In the same manner for these two also, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 56 lakh, 89,067. There is no hundreds, it's 0 over there in hundreds place. So you can just write 67. Now for this, this also you have to place the commas, ones, tens, 100, 1 comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Now 30, and you all have the habit of writing and in between the spellings. That's wrong. You shouldn't write end. It's just 30 crore, 56 lakh. There is no 1,000 over here, so you need not write thousands, and no 100 also, so you can just skip that. And 71. You shouldn't, while teaching I may tell end, but it's not end. There is no end in spellings at all. So 30 crore, 56 lakh, 71. That's it. And the remaining B's, B, D and F bits you can try it by yourself. So the second question, the second sum here it is about write in figures. Figures means nothing but numbers. Here spellings are already given for you. They are written in words. You have to write the number. So here 17,30,896. So first see the first number, the first words. 17 lakhs. So write your place value till lakhs and 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. You can start from first or you can start from last. That's your wish. 17 lakh. So 17 lakh in the lakhs place 1 7. Place a comma. Next 30,000. 30,000. So in 1,000 and 10,000's place 30. Next 100. 800. In hundreds place 8. 96. Tens and ones place 96. Listen once again. 17 lakh. Lakhs place 17. Lakhs in 10 lakhs place. 30,000. In 1,000 and 10,000's place 30. 896. 8 in hundreds place, 96 in tens and ones place. The same procedure for the next two also. 70 crore, 17. So write your place value chart till 10 crores because 70 crores is a two-digit number again. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 70 crore. So 70 crore. Thereafter 70 crore, there is only 17. That is nothing but 1 cent tens place. Then what you should do with the remaining places? You have to fill in the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you won't fill these zeros, you will be left with 7, 0 and 1, 7. It would be 7,017. So since your question is 70 crore, you have to fill zeros compulsory. Next, 55 lakh, 19,005. So here also we have till lakhs place. So till 10 lakhs we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 55 lakh, 55 in lakhs place. 19,000, 19 in 1,000 and 10,000's place. 5. 5 is a single digit number, so in ones place put 5 and the remaining places you can fill in with zeros. And the remaining bits you can write in your homework book. Do it, and when the school reopens, we'll check it. Okay. Now let us learn the expanded form. So write the place values again for this: ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. 7 is in lakh place, so 7 into 1 lakh plus. Next is 5. 5 is in 10,000's place. So 5 into 10,000. Next, 6 is in thousands place. So 6 into 1,000 plus. 9 is in hundreds place. 9 into 100 plus. 2 is in tens place. 2 into 10 plus. 5 is in ones place. 5 into 1. You all had a habit of writing just 5 lakh, 50,000, 6,000, all this in your previous, that is your primary classes. But now from 6th standard, you have to write it in this form only. Next, same procedure here also. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 2 is in crores place. So 2 into 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have a doubt of how many zeros you have to place and all that, you can see the number of digits after 2. That is, after 2, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So you will get 1 and 7 zeros. Next, 6 is in 10 lakhs place. So 6 into 10 lakh plus. 0 is in lakhs place. You need not put 0 into something. Just put 1 0. That is enough. Plus. 1 is in 10,000's place. So 1 into 10,000 plus. 5 is in thousands place. 5 into 1,000 plus. 3 is in hundreds place. 3 into 100 plus. 4 is in tens place. 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1, that is 7 is in ones place. In the same procedure, you can follow this also. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So 1 is in 10 crores place. So 1 into 10 crore. Plus, the next number is 7. 7 into 1 crore. Plus, 7 is in 10 lakhs place. 7 into 10 lakhs. 6 is in lakhs place. 6 into 1 lakh. Plus, 1 is in 10,000's place. 1 into 10,000. 5 is in thousands place. 5 into 1000. Plus, 2 in hundreds place. 2 into 100 plus 9 is in tens place. 9 into 10. Then 6 in ones place. 6 into 1. So this is the way you will write the expanded form. I think I already explained to you a previous one example. Now this is your exercise sums. That is A, C and E bits I have done. Remaining bits you can try. Now in this fourth question, he is asking us to write the numeral. That is, we have to write the number. And first the expanded form is given. So here this is 5 crore, 70 lakh, 6 lakhs, 10,000, 7,000, 500, 90 and 3. So you have clearly, that means they have given you clearly which number is what. So you have to put it in the exact position, in the place value chart. So 5 is in crores place. So in crores place, just place only 5. Next, 70,000. So in 70 lakhs. So in 10 lakhs place, just put 7. 6 lakhs. Lakhs place, put 6. 10,000. In 10,000's place, 1. 7,000. Thousands place, 7. 500. Hundreds place, 5. 90. Tens place, 9. 3. Single digit 3. So in ones place, 3. In the same manner, we have here the second one. We'll start from last. So 1, that is single digit in ones place. 10. So tens place also 1. 1000. So there is no 100. Between 10 and 1000, there should be another digit with 100. But here it is missing. So put in hundreds place 0. Thousands place 1. Then here this is 1 crore. So here 1000 in thousands place. Then you should have a number or this digit with 10,000, but it is missing. So put 0 in 10,000's place. Next is your 1 lakh. Here, if you see properly, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. 1 crore is given. So you don't have lakhs. So put 0 in lakhs place. Even crores 10 lakhs also you don't have. So put again one more 0. So this is 1 crore. So in crores place 1 and we have 10 crore. So 10 crores place also 1. Listen once again. So this is 10 crore and this is 1 crore and this is 1,000. This is 10 and this is 1. So basically we have only all ones. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You have to put these 5 in their respective place values. So 10 crores place put 1. 1 crore place also 1. You don't have 10 lakhs and lakhs places. And also 10,000 places. So put 3 zeros over there. And you have next is 1,000. So put here in thousands place 1. And you have 10. So no 100. So put 0. And tens place 1 and ones place 1. So you can put the commas after this. And same process for this also. So once you have, this is the crores, 2 crores. So crores place 2. Then 30,000 means 10,000's place you have to put 3. Means what? There is no 10 lakhs and there is no lakhs also. So put zeros over there. Next is 1,000. After 30,000, you should have thousands place, single 1,000. But it's not given, so just put a 0. Next is 100. You don't have even 100. Next is 40. Tens place 4. Then 5. Single digit in ones place. So this is the number 2 crore 30,000 45. The fifth question is arrange in ascending order. So we have to count the number of digits and we have to arrange them from smaller number to the larger number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-digit number. So this is a 5-digit number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. 4-digit number. Now, from all these digits, 4 is the smallest. So we have to write that first. So 8,972 is the smallest. After finishing, just circle it so that you won't get confused. Again, you won't write that number. Next is 5657. 5 is the smallest. Now you have two 5s. Go for the first digits. That is 8, 8. Both are 8. Go for the second digit. You can't compare since. So 88 and 80. So 80 is the smallest. So circle this and write next. 80,999. That is 80,999. Next is your 88,978. Next 6-digit number, 7-digit number. 6 is obviously smaller. So circle it. 8,17,576. And the last is the 11,80,789. In the same manner, this number also. So this is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7-digit number. So from this, 4 is the smallest again. That is 9,009. Circle it. Next, 5-digit number. That is 77,132 is the next smallest. Circle this also. 4 finish, 5 finish. Next, go for 6. That is 8,000,009. 8,09,000. Circle it. Next is your 17,999. And the last is your 9-digit number. It is 99 crore 1. So this is your last number since it is the largest. Coming to 6th term, that is 6th question is arranged in descending order. Same process but just the reverse of ascending order. Here since you searched for the smallest, here you have to search what is the largest number and you have to put that in the first place. So here also 1, 2, 3, you have to count the number of digits first. So 3, 6, 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-digit number. 8-digit number. 5-digit number. 8-digit number. So here you have two big digits, that is 8-digit number. Then you have two bigger and same digits. Go for the first digit. 1, 2. Which is bigger? Obviously 2 is the larger. So go for this number. That is 2 crore. $99. Next is this 1 crore 60 lakh 74,139. Next 6 digit, 7 digit, 5 digit. Clearly you can see 7 is the bigger number of digits. So 74 lakh 86,973. The next one is this, that is 6,40,976. And the smallest among these is this last number, 27,356. Now see bit, check the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. 3, 4, 5, 6. 8-digit number. 7-digit number. 8-digit number. So highest among this is the 9-digit number. That is 375623 So 37 crore 56 lakh 23,154. Then after 9 we have two 8-digit numbers. So compare 3 and 1. So 3 is the largest among this. So next is this 35510 300. Next is the same number of digits, that is 132155. Next 6-digit, 7-digit. 7 is the highest. So 77935. And the last, that is the smallest among this, is 9,37,595. So like this we can check ascending descending orders. So today we have completed till 6 sums. From 7 sum we'll continue in the next video. Please try to do the remaining sums, and if you have any doubts you can text, you can give comments, and we'll get the feedback. If there is anything for improvement and all, please don't mind the size of the board, because it's not school to have a big size. So try to understand. Thank you.